Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to redeem LifePoints for cash in your PayPal account. So log into your LifePoints survey account. I currently have 2405 LifePoints, which is just over $20. Click the redeem button and it'll bring you to this page. Use this drop-down menu in the left side panel and choose PayPal and it'll bring you to this page. I'm going to redeem $20 in my PayPal account. So I'll click on it and it'll bring you to this page. Click on this button, Spend LifePoints Now, and it'll be added to your shopping cart. As you can see, here is the item. Next, click on the Spend LifePoints button. In this section, you need to choose your address. Click this button if you have not yet set up your address, and then enter your address in this section. And then click this button to use this address. It'll bring you to this confirmation page. Finally, click Complete Your Order. You'll get an order number, and you'll also get a confirmation email message. But that's pretty much it. If you want to make some extra money taking LifePoints surveys, check the link in the description section. Thanks for watching.